Downpipe intake only.
That's still kicks, eh?
Full tank. The pops in. Oh, and the pops in thing.
Yeah, and the pops. You can't forget about the pops.
Can't forget about that.
Downpipe is perfect, eh?
Soft limiter. Now we're not playing here.
Some kills, eh? Oh. Go. I'm sure that never gets old, eh?
Oh no, not. I think I've never driven this car and did that, like, you know, like just normal. It has to be pops and bangs.
You can't, otherwise what's the point in having pops and bangs?
The best is when you go past an old person's window and you just...
Yeah. But I actually think this amount of pops and bangs is perfect, because it's not too much, it doesn't carry on forever and ever.
It can get a bit annoying sometimes, like when you're just trying to, what's the word, like just zip in and out somewhere.
Yeah. Because there's no incognito with this, either loud or loud.
So I thought it was only dynamic that it did it.
Yeah.
But it turns out like any mode, like if I go into eco, it does it.
It still does it, I see.
It doesn't boost fully because I don't have a vacuum line connected, so...
Makes everyone turn their heads, eh?
Oh, some people hate it, some people love it. You get the intake wash, so it's a BMC. I think it's like a normal 76 mil.
Okay.
Kind of just goes on forever. I love it. But
oh, that's awesome. Yeah.
intake
Intake sound, eh?
That thing is proper. I love it.
No.
For 2 liter, it doesn't get better than that.
No.
And the thing is, you can pick up a used one, fairly decent mileage, and
Especially now.
especially now. And the new shape is coming out, the 8. I don't know what it's called, Y or something.
What do you think about the new shape?
I like it. I don't like the sound of it. You know, with all these OPM
Yes,
filters.
it sounds like nothing.
There's no.
There's literally
nothing
no sound.
going on with it. I can be going even with the A45, the new shapes and all that. They're so quiet. Like where you get this, where you just do a downpipe.
Exactly.
And, you know, it's
that you're gonna have to do a particular filter.
Oh, it's so
delete
annoying.
this and that.
Exactly. And this thing spits flames with the resonator still on it and the back box.
Now imagine without that.
So that's what I'm saying.
We have to get some flames sometime, eh?
You need to stick a GoPro. Yeah.
You know, there's one thing that I don't like about the new 7R GTI and then the new S3 is that they all look so plasticky.
It is.
I don't know. Like, it honestly doesn't look aggressive. It just looks like a child's toy.
Yeah. Now it looks like a normal TSI.
Exactly.
No offense to TSI owners, but
yeah, no.
I mean, if you look at this generation 7R and all that, they look decent. Even if you go back to the 6R, that's a proper aggressive car. I think maybe now I don't know, they got new designers.
Yeah, exactly. Come on, that never gets old.
You can finish so much petrol in this car.
Oh, I'm sure.
I'm
What's
using
the consumption?
25 liters per hour.
Holy
I mean, I got
My
it.
car is 5. No jokes. You get 5 liters per 100 as well.
I got 21 here.
She moves. Sounds so good from inside the car.
If you sit in the back, it actually like echoes. I mean, it like vibrates through the seat.
Serious.
Passengers love it. Those are flames.
Yeah.
Okay.